everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Manpreet and I hope you all are doing good. So I just had my morning tea and now I'm ready for the whole day. Actually, in order to keep on going, I have to fuel myself, and tea is kind of fuel for me. I know it's not healthy to have a tea on the empty stomach, but क्या करूँ कि अभी मुझे आदत पड़ चुकी है and I cannot do without it. So that is the reason. Also guys, we are heading towards the end of this year 2024, as we already are in September, and the days of September are actually little bit confusing. Sometimes we feel humid and hot, sometimes the days are cozy. Actually कोई समझ ही नहीं आ रही कि वेदर को प्रिडिक्ट ही नहीं कर सकते कि आज वेदर ऐसा है तो कल कैसा रहेगा. So it's little bit confusing, but it's okay. We can bear it, as after the end of September we will have almost everyone's favorite season, autumn guys. And we all know that in India autumn starts in the month of October, and it remains till November. So I just love autumn. I just feel that there is some kind of intoxication in the air of autumn. I don't know what guys, but it just mesmerizes me. So I just love autumn. I love everything about autumn, so I can bear these rough days of September also. I believe that this cycle of seasons is also like the cycle of our life, as in order to get success or in order to get happiness, we have to face the hardships in our life. We have to suffer from many things. So just like the life, in order to have cozy and happy days, we have to face the hardships of September as well. Okay, so these are some of my thoughts regarding season. Now I'm feeling little bit hungry also, and I will have my breakfast. Actually I have done all the cleaning work, so now I will just prepare breakfast and have it. I had my breakfast, and I like this kind of a comforting, cozy breakfast, as it is a good kick to start the day. Now I'm thinking that I should go to the market and I should do some grocery, because there are some things which I need to get from the market. So that's why I will go there, and after that I will think of what is the next thing which I have to do. So I just want to share something with you all, that I am trying to incorporating new habits in my life, as I used to be a person who was happy in her comfort zone, but recently I realized in order to have great things in life, I need to introduce myself to the new things. So I have decided to build Pinterest mood board. And also nowadays this is everywhere, that manifestation is a real thing, and I just also want to try it, and I just want to see that what will be the result of it. So here guys, from today onwards I have decided that I will build my Pinterest mood board, and this is gonna be a fun thing as well. So for that purpose I am downloading the pictures from the internet, these Pinteresty pictures, so that I can add to my mood board, and मैं वही सारी जो pictures है वो add करूँगी जो जो चीज़ें मैं करना चाहती हूँ, like self care, walking, traveling, ਜਾਂ cooking, means जो भी whatever I want I will add into it. वैसे this is a kind of secret thing but I am sharing with you all कि मैं कौन सी चीज़ें ऐड करने जा रही हूँ. I will definitely share my experience with you all that is it working for me or not. So let's hope for the best. Hi, good afternoon everyone. So it's new day and I have done all the household work and my daughter is also sleeping right now. So I'm thinking कि मेरे घर के बाहर जो मैंने plants वगैरह grow करे हुए हैं ना, I should clean that area because वहाँ पे ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा घास वगैरह जो है ना वो grow हुई हुई है because of monsoon. So today I am going to do that thing only and after that I will get freshen up. So this is how it's looking right now, all clean and I'm thinking कि यहाँ पे भी ये जगह खाली है ना, I will grow some plants. Guys, I just got upstairs for laundry and I saw something very beautiful. Let me show you also. Look at the sunset view from my home's terrace. It's so beautiful and mesmerizing. I can't even take my eyes off from it. Hi everyone. So I just had my brunch. Actually I missed my breakfast today because of some reasons. So I had brunch only and now I'm going out. Actually मैंने ना एक हमारे घर के पास एक जगह है, so मैं उसके बारे में बहुत सुना हुआ है that there is a water body, there are some trees. So I just want to go there and I want to explore that place and I just want to read there. I want to spend time with the trees and with water body. So now I will go there. I will just get ready and I will also show you people that what kind of a place this is. Let mama record. Jay? Let mama record. Please go and sleep. Jay, let mama make her video. Let mama make her video. Wow. So guys, it's 1 AM in the night and I'm still up because मैंने अभी ही अपनी डॉटर को सुलाया है. As you guys have seen कि वो सो नहीं रही थी because whenever I try to record my videos ना तो उसे पता चल जाता है तो वो उसी टाइम मेरे पास आ जाती है because she gets excited by seeing all the tools of recording video, so maybe that's why, and she also wants me to record her. So that is the situation, but now she is sleeping, so I just wanted to share my thoughts with you people, so that's why I'm here. So guys, the place I visited today was amazing. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. वहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऐसे पीसफुल एनवायरनमेंट था, कैनाल टाइप जो वाटर बॉडी थी वो थी एंड काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे उसे देख के. काफ़ी सूदिंग जो इम्पैक्ट था वो था उसका. एंड एवरी टाइम आई हैव दिस विश कि मैं नेचर में बैठ के ऐसी रीडिंग करूँ, तो आई डिड दैट ऑल्सो ओवर देयर, ऑल्दो ओनली फॉर 10 to 15 minutes, but I did. And the other thing is that I have started journaling. Actually yesterday I was going through an old stuff, तो वहाँ से ना मुझे ये डायरी मिली which I started writing in 2015 and इसमें ना मैं जितने भी मेरे थॉट्स वगैरह होते थे उनको पोइम्स की फॉर्म में लिख देती थी. आई डिडंट वांट टू शेयर विद अदर्स, सो दैट्स वाई. सो yesterday I realized that I should restart this habit of writing down because instead of telling others our emotions, our feelings, I guess हम खुद के लिए बहुत सेफ होते हैं अपनी जो फीलिंग्स है वो शेयर करने के लिए because there is not any fear of getting them leaked. So I will just write each and everything whatever I feel. I want to suggest to you guys as well that we are the safe secret keepers, so that's why खुद को ही हमारे जो सीक्रेट्स हैं वो पता होने चाहिए ऑफ ट्रम्पटिंग देम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पब्लिक. सो these are some of the things which I wanted to share with you people. So with this note, I want to end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you soon with new upload. Till then, bye bye, take care.